So AI static generator is created like this, is built to optimize the repeated task and creating n numbers of ads instantly, like in a scale like we can run a multiple campaign and we want the asset to run that campaign. So this particular product is built to automate that system and get an instant result and instant output based on our requirement. So like in this particular module, like in the brand module, we need to add our brand. And let's suppose we want have our brand is herbal product, then we will add our name, black logo, white logo, which will be used in the future. So already that two particular brand is already configured. And what we need to do is like add a publisher, like who is the publisher. Let's suppose we are uh, publishing our campaign on a third party site or marketing on a third party site, then who is the publisher, then we will add a publisher info over here. So we have already configured our brand, our publisher is there, like who is responsible for publishing, what is name and their logo on that. And then we need to configure our product. So let's suppose we have an product called spirulina. And so what we will do, like we will select a spiroswasta brand over here, product name will be here, and docs knowledge file, like in that, like what is the benefit of spirulina, what are the regular usage dose, and all that we will like add in this document file. And also like if there is a medical terms, like we don't need to include these terms in the marketing or any images, then we will also add the negative prompt in that. And we have to add a drive link over, like after the image generation, where the image will be stored, like product image and their explanation, basic guideline, who is the publisher, their comparison brand. So like let's suppose our brand has a 5 competitor, then we will add our 5 competitor, and which will be used for creating comparison images. We will check that, like what exactly is that. But let me just show you one of the product which is already configured, which is a Ladisa GLP-1 product. This is the knowledge file in which all the data will be there, like uh, Ladisa is a GLP-1 patch, and these are the benefit and these are the ingredients which are used. And we will add an image and add a description, like what the image actual and what are the parameters in that. We will select a publisher, we will add our 5 competitor, like Ladisa's 5 competitor, which will be used to create a comparison ads. So we have configured our brands, then our publisher, and then product. And next step is theme. So basically theme is the concept, we can see like a scene or a concept which we want to. Let's suppose we identify like this particular concept is working good, then what we will do, like we will configure a theme. So theme is basically like a concept which we want to implement in our ad. So this is an handwritten belly thing. So we will add our prompt and basic, like generate 6 image, we can dynamically do as much. So this is our prompt which we will give an instruction to that, like these are the parameter you need to follow, and the ad should be around this particular parameter. So this is basically, we can say, a prompt. We have a master prompt, we want to use that, then we can directly use this, else we can create a new one. Second thing is inspo, like let's suppose we find like this particular ads are running quite good, then we will add this folder and add the data over here, and it will be used in the creation. So this is our static generator module, in which we will create a concept name, or it is in on brand or comparison. So if we are marketing for our brand, then on brand. If we are comparison, like our brand is better than all other brand, then we want to select a comparison. We will select a brand, we will select our product. Based on that, we will automatically, like knowledge file will be pre-filled, the generation link will be there. These are the comparison ones, like these are the 5 comparison. This is our publisher logo, and we will select a theme, like which theme you want to create, and based on that there will be a naming folder, who is responsible, like who has created this file, and our prompt will automatically place over here. If you want to change something, then we can change. If you want to do the 12 images, then we can also do that. And when we submit it, like it will trigger an n8n workflow, which is over here, and the n8n will be responsible for creating image and store it into the Google Drive. So basically this is the entire workflow. Yeah, so thank you.